This is the only body glowing combo you would ever need. Your skin is going to change completely. The secret recipe is, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to be talking about glowing skin. I know having a healthy, youthful looking, radiant looking glowing skin is actually top on everybody's list. Everybody wants to receive compliments on how beautiful their skin looks, and that's where I come in, because I'll be sharing the products that has really helped me to achieve this. So when it comes to glowing skin, the secret recipe is to ensure that you always cleanse your skin, like washing off all the dirt, removing all the impurities from your skin. You always moisturize the skin and you always exfoliate your skin. This is the secret recipe. I am giving you guys for free, but it doesn't stop at that. The kind of product and the type of products that you use also matters a whole lot, because this is what adds spice to the recipe. This is what is going to make the recipe bomb. This is the seasoning to your recipe. In terms of cleansing your skin, products that contains brightening and exfoliating properties like vitamin C, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, they all do the trick. They do the magic, because they will help to fade out the discoloration that is on your skin. They will help to brighten your skin, remove all the dead skin cells that is on your skin, and this will lead to making your skin look radiant, attractive, youthful, and so beautiful. I have a few products that has really helped me in my cleansing journey, like they do the magic, and one is this Naturium Salicylic Acid Perfector body wash. This is an amazing body wash, like amazing body wash. It helps to cleanse the skin, make the skin soft, supple, smooth, exfoliates the skin, remove the dead skin cells from the skin, brighten the skin, and all of this contributes to what is going to make your skin look radiant, make your skin glow, make your skin attractive. The key ingredient that this body wash contains is salicylic acid, and like I mentioned earlier, salicylic acid is an exfoliating ingredient that will help to exfoliate your skin, remove the dead skin cells from your skin. And when those dead skin cells are removed from your skin is going to glow, your skin is going to look attractive, it's going to look bright, it's going to look radiant. Another cleansing product that I love so much is also from Naturium, and it's the Naturium Glow Getter Multi-Oil Body Wash. This is an absolutely fantastic product to add to your routine, because it will contribute to giving you that glowing skin. I kid you not, it will contribute to give you that glowing effect, and at the same time it will keep your skin moisturized and well nourished. This is a product to have in your routine. It feels lush and silky on the skin. Like when you are done having your bath with this body wash, your skin feels so good. It feels lush, it feels moisturized, it feels nourished, and there's this glow that it adds to your skin that I love so much. So this is a perfect product to add to your routine if you want that glowing, radiant, beautiful, attractive looking skin. The last one is this Dove Rebalancing Cleansing Bar. Cleansing bars are also very important in your cleansing routine, because they will help to remove the impurities, the dirt from your skin effectively. And I really love this one from Dove. It smells heavenly, it smells so good, and it cleanses my skin so well. And it contains white peach and rice milk that will help to cleanse your skin properly, remove all the impurities, and also give you that radiant, attractive looking skin. So moving on to moisturizing. Moisturizing is very important, because this is what helps to keep your skin hydrated and moisturized, so you don't have the ashy looking skin or dehydrated looking skin, which is not attractive. And personally, I have two products that I use for my moisturizing game. One is this EOS 24-hour moisture body lotion, and the other one is this Nature's Well vitamin C moisture body cream. These two combo, they are amazing. They are match made in heaven. They are absolutely fantastic. They complement each other, and this combo is what you need to have in your routine. What I do is I use the EOS body lotion during the day to help keep my skin moisturized and all that, and to help me smell so good, because guys, this is the first body lotion that I have used that my partner actually complimented, like, damn baby, you smell so good, aside my perfume. And I'm like, okay, EOS, it smells so freaking good, and it is very fantastic in keeping your skin moisturized. While at night, I use this Nature's Well vitamin C body cream to help to revitalize my skin, brighten my complexion, reduce any discoloration, fade all the dark marks on my skin. What the Nature's Well moisture cream actually does is it acts like a treatment cream that will help to brighten my skin, while the EOS one would just keep my skin moisturized. And using this technique, like using these two products together, is game changing. It is mind blowing. I kid you not. Like, when you use this two combo, you're going to come back to this channel and thank me, because you're going to see a huge difference. This Dove body polish with rice is my absolute favorite body scrub to exfoliate my skin. Like, my absolutely favorite. It is hands down the best body polish I have used. It is gentle but yet very effective on the skin to help to exfoliate your skin, making your skin look soft, supple, you know, exfoliate it, remove the dead skin cells, and make your skin look radiant, attractive, and glowing. And this body polish smells so freaking good. So you're going to smell really good after using this, and it will help to keep your skin soft, supple, attractive, and all of the good things. So the game-changing body glowing combo is using the Naturium Salicylic Acid body wash and the Glow Getter body wash, the Nature's Well vitamin C body cream, and the EOS body lotion, and the Dove body polish. This combo is bomb. It is the best. It is match made in heaven. It will take your skin from 0 to 100. You're going to see the difference. It will amaze you, and you definitely come back and thank me for giving you this badass combo. You will definitely see the result, and it works for any skin tone, whether you're fair, you're caramel, you're dark, you're ebony, whatever skin tone. You're going to see result. This is all you need for the glowing skin. This is my secret, and I am very happy to share with you guys. So I hope you've learned something from today's video, because on this channel the focus is actually providing information that's going to help you all to look attractive, look good, have a healthy skin. I would also know what badass combo you're actually using that you're loving. I want to see them in the comment section. Please share them with me, because I would love to try out more combos, like different combos. I want to try them out, so kindly share them with me. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and comment on my videos, because this is what helps me to grow. I have a lot of other videos that you're definitely going to enjoy, because they are fun, interesting, and very educative. So I'll see you in this video. Don't go away.